Let's consider a question on the board. If log 1/8 base y equals to 3, find y. This is a question that actually come out mostly in exam, in WAEC, JAM, further maths exam, GCE, things like that. But we can consider that question by saying, how can we solve this? Is it A -2, B -1/2, 3, C 1/2, and D 2? What's your answer? This is going to be solved very, very well fast. Let's do this together. So we have what we're going to just do is to say, bring out a question. This is base y, which is base y, which is y. So we have bring out 1/8 equals y. You take this y to the other side, but make 3 to become a cap. You understand? Like it should be on top of y. You bring y to this side. Now equate it, not really equate, but raise to power 3. Whatever is here, take it to the power of y. You understand? That's how to solve it. Okay. You have to ask yourself, no, this is what we call, this is a raised to power 3. Okay, and if it's raised to power 3, how will I find y? The next step is what? Is to find the cube roots of both sides. So that if I find the cube root of both sides, what I'll just do is I'll say cube root this, cube root this. I see it. I'm finding the cube root of both sides. Now the cube root of this I don't really know. So for you to get it very, very fast, now you have 1 raised to power, just like I said, saying 1. What times what times what to give you 1? 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 times 1 will give you 1. So the cube root of 1 is what? Is 1. Now come to this place. You ask yourself, what times what times what to give you 8? Now check. 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8. So you can just put 2 raised to power 3. Can you see that? You can still put 1 raised to power 3, then put the cube root like this. So it's going to now be this cube root. Bring out your answer like this. This implies 1/2 cube roots raised to power 3. Can you see that? Which is now going to be equal to y. So all the cube root now cancels what? The cube here. The cube root cancels the cube here. Our answer is going to now be what? 1/2. You understand? Very simple. So choose my answer. My answer is what? C. See? C is the answer. So 1/2 what is the correct answer. And that's why. So you see, actually you may, so one person will be like, oh, how can we do this? We can do this. It's very, very simple. So what you just need to do is to find, like I said, you have to take y, take it to this side, make the 3 the cap. Do you understand? When you've made the 3 the cap, then come down here, all right, that is 3, y raised to power 3. Now find the cube root of both sides, because how am I finding the cube root of both sides? So I can eliminate what? 3. Now here will now become what? Just cube root of 1/8, which is now y is now going to what? Stay alone. Y is now standing alone. Then when you have done, when you found it, ask yourself, what times what times what? Because cube root means, you know, we're talking of 3, cube 3. So what times what to give us 1? 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. Now ask yourself, what times what to give you 8? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 give you 8. That's all. So answer is going to now be what? 1/2. Very simple. So if you find this interesting, don't forget to like my video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am my humble self, Jennifer Odira KC Villa. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.